They say if you want to get rid of your mother-in-law, this is the machine to buy. The all-new MCM 75DS excavator. This machine comes with a 45 kilowatt Yanmar engine with a digging radius of 6.1 meters and a digging depth of 3.8 meters. This client has ordered a few different attachments like a quick hitch, log grab, a tree shear and many more. This machine is going to the Eastern Cape and we want to thank you, our client, for your support. This machine comes equipped with an aircon and has a very nice cabin on the inside. Let's show you more.